Going, guys? It's me again. We're here at Hot Wheels, Mayorga's Hot Wheels workshop. So today I'm going to show you, it's about showing you this humongous of a showcase that I built. So I'll show you right now what this is about. So as you already know, right here, you can slide the glass open. I'm telling you, it's a lot of work just doing this. So now what I did was use wood, just regular wood. I think it's a red wood. Then I did the framing. This is a compressed cardboard. Then for the paint is the usual paint that I like to use, which is for the back beds of trucks, which is this. It's pretty thick, very thick. That's why I kind of like, I said, I'm going to give it a try. I want to experiment with this, see how it goes. I kind of like it. The only negative about it is that it catches a lot of dust, and you have to be dusting it. Well, I guess because I'm in the shed, and there's a lot of wood that I work with here, so I have to be dusting it. So this is it. In the back, there is a cable. I don't know if you could see it. So that's if you decide to hang it, you gotta have pretty strong screws on each end and a strong wire, which is 4 wires in one. So let me show you the cars. So right here we got the Fast and the Furious action pack. Pretty nice. Very well detailed. I don't know what's your favorite of all of these, but you can't go wrong. Well, not that one, just this, from the red one to this. Then we got the 50th anniversary. I just got these two, the twin mill and this Camaro, the gold one. Just got them. Check that out. Look at the rubberized tires, gold wheels. This is one of my favorites, Bone Shaker. So yeah, I got all these. It did take a while to get these last two. Only one person had it, and I'm gonna give him thanks for giving them to me. Manny. Like I said, I'll show you a store. He's the owner of the store. So his name is Manny, and he deals a lot with Hot Wheels. So some of them he's able to get. Some of them I've been able to get myself. So, and he's the one that got me the 71 Datsun right here. I was missing it for almost, what, 4 months, 3 months? So now I have the whole collection. So yeah, this is my couple of the collections that I still have. I still have to fix something. I don't know what's wrong with this theme. I think I'm gonna get rid of these buses. I think that's what's wrong with that. So I don't know if on the last video I showed you guys, but yeah, I did. You see this one? I did the tire swap. This is the original looking one. So from that to this, that's what I've did. It's a nice car right here. I did forget who makes these. think it's Jada. Jada. Hada or Jada. It's beautiful. Bucket seats. Very nice. Nice details. I don't see these anymore, to be honest. I don't see them at the stores. Every single one with details, so you can see. Bucket seats. Roll bar cages in there. Just like this one. Again, I'll show you again. See? Chrome. And you got this beauty right here. Yeah, nice. Well, this is my collection of some of the cars. I'll keep showing you more as time goes. I do want to share with you one more thing. I've been opening my box of treasures, and I keep finding, old stuff that I have had for a while. I'll show you in a minute right now. Well, for the number one, I don't know if you remember these, police force. Has the bank in the background. So I collected these. There's a special reason why I collected that kind of armored trucks, police. I have quite a few armored trucks too. This is nice. Look right here. GTO 1967 Pontiac. Let me see. Let me open it. Let me get it out of the plastic protector here. Real Riders. Beautiful, beautiful. Ghost flames. As you can see, it says AB 1268. So they made about 1,100 of them. It's beautiful. I wish I could have found the combi. So then the next one, this is recent. It's like a couple of years ago I got it. It's pretty nice. You can still see these anywhere in any hobby store. This is cool right here. Look at that. Hair splitter. Well, so I just wanted to show you these. And I might have a couple more. It's that time again. I'm gonna do some tire swapping. I was thinking of putting these chrome wheels on these Datsun or gold ones. The car is orange, so I'm not sure what's gonna look better. Let me see if close up. So I don't know what's gonna look better. If I flip a coin, I'll go probably with the chrome. Yeah, I think chrome would be perfect. We'll try to make this quick because I don't have that much time right now. Got other stuff to be doing, like the shelf for my friend showcase. Hey, it came out pretty fast. That's what I like when it comes out pretty fast. Let's see here. So let's see. Take the extra plastic. I mean, this could be, just gotta have patience, enjoy what you're doing. And then in the end, it pays off. It pays off. So there we go. Now we're gonna cut the end of the axles. What I'm doing here is just trying to save for those that are just watching this video for the first time in how to swap wheels. So basically it says Grady. I don't know if you could see it. Pretty nice casting. I love that casting. Got the details in the interior. You can see the orange floors. So, okay, let's get to this. Let's get to it. Let's do the cut the end of it again. Be very careful. Always cover your eyes, have goggles, any type of protection for your eyes. Whoa, it's pretty short. Let's see what we can do here. I'm telling you, most of the times it's the best idea ever to save the axles from the original one. When you think that the tires are not worth saving, I would say it's best to save the axle better. As you can see, we're using the original axles that came with it. So now we're gonna see, I'm gonna end up cutting a little bit more, but I'd rather be cutting axle excess than to come out short. Might cut just a little snip here. There. Now it's ready. So we're gonna put the glue, the end of the axle, just a little dab, just a little bit. You don't need that much, or else you're gonna have a wheel that won't turn. So if you have excess, just dab it on the table. So you spin it 10, 12, whatever you want times as needed. That way the glue, is on the whole wheel. Now what I'm going to do is just help it. Let me see here. Now we're going to do the front wheel. Hopefully we don't have to cut that much either. Maybe we will. So you have to help it a little bit, just push the axle in more. Yeah, you gotta cut just one little bit. I mean, it might seem like a lot of work, but it really isn't. There's other ways to swap wheels. I still don't dare to drill these rivets open. I don't know. I gotta do it one day. But this way that Manny taught me, it's much easier. I mean, the car's gonna be there just on display, so. Okay. So all we gotta do is just let me see. Cut a, and now we gotta put the glue. Like this. Okay. Always wear your protective goggles. If you're gonna be cutting, you need supervision. If you're too small to be using this kind of sharp tools, you need extra supervision. And that's because they're pretty sharp. You might cut your finger, and you don't want that. So that's all the way in. Well, there we go. What do you think? Sporty looking. I think on the next video, or I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I bought some metallic markers, and it says permanent marker, but right here it says metallic. So I got these at Target for about $8, I believe. So you get to do an extra just details. All right, guys. Hope you like this video. Till next time. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you for watching. You could also follow me on Instagram at omayorga75. Till next time.